Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to transform your photo into a realistic World Cup 2026 style football sticker. This trend is going viral right now, and the results honestly look incredible. You can create your own custom football card with your name, country, player stats, and team design in just a few minutes using free AI tools. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and tech videos. Let's get started. Before we start, quick disclaimer. The stickers shown in this video are custom fan-made creations, designed for entertainment and educational purposes only. This video is not officially connected with or sponsored by FIFA or Panini. The first thing you need is a football sticker template that you want to use as the base design. You'll also need a photo of yourself. Try to use a clear picture with good lighting, so the AI can recognize your face properly and generate a better final result. I'll leave the templates and extra resources in the description, so you can download everything easily. The next thing you need is the prompt that tells the AI exactly what to create. You can copy the prompt shown on screen and customize it with your own information, like your name, birthday, height, weight, position, and the country you want to represent. Now open ChatGPT. In my opinion, this gives some of the best and most realistic results for this type of football sticker generation. Once you're inside ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the message box and replace the sample information with your own details. After that, click the plus icon to upload images. First, upload the football sticker template, and then upload the selfie or portrait photo you took earlier. Now, send the message and give the AI a few seconds to generate the image. And there it is! As you can see, the final result looks super realistic and keeps the same style as the original football sticker design. The AI even matches the layout, colors, and overall player card appearance really well. You can repeat the same process with different countries, teams, and sticker styles to create multiple versions of your own football cards. And that's it! Now you know how to create your own AI World Cup 2026 football sticker.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!